Alright, yeah. I can't even start my. What's going on, y'all? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. What is you saying? I'm back again with the long lost G. As you can see here, shit doing even worse. My battery's dead again. My wheels are flat. Both of my rears are flat as hell. And I was actually gonna do some work on it today, but I think I'm gonna wait and do a proper video. Also, I just kind of wanted to inform y'all that I'm doing it just in case anybody out there is a real VQ enthusiast, you feel me? Then they could go ahead, help me out, you feel me? Send the email, number, follow my IG. But I just need some help, bro. I just want my shit to be goddamn doing what it's supposed to do. Something in my mind wants me to run and jump over that, but I'm not gonna do it because my leg does hurt. So I'm gonna take the easy route. See, I even got, me and Twin, we done got our jacks. Twin shit fucked up too. His shit on the top of the hill, but we got the jacks down, motherfucker. One Daytona 3-ton metallic red. Shit, beautiful, nigga. Alright, bitch, you don't want to come out? We go Pittsburgh 3-ton. Shit ready, bro. I feel like a mechanic, gang. Look. So let me show y'all that shit. It seemed like it aligned right there, but I ain't even gonna check it, nigga, because I fucking know it, dude. Turn that hoe to the right, jack it up. Nah, I'm scared. Bring that down. Do that another day. Like I said, the battery dead, but here's my working zone. Yes, yes, yes. You feel me? This is the area we're finna be getting right with it. Yeah. Shout out Crown Finish, man. You dig? They finna fund the rebuild. Overly. And then I also need to tell y'all what I got in mind for the car. And once I fix it, inshallah, that I fix it properly and everything's good to go. I was gonna try to avoid taking off the front end, but I'm just gonna take off the front end. I think it'll be better for the video anyway. And I think I'm gonna be starting it soon. But like I was saying with the rebuild, I'm thinking about selling it because it is all-wheel drive. But I heard with the G's, if you want to make them rear-wheel drive, you can take off. I think you could either add a switch for the transfer case, or you can take off the front drive shafts and front axle. Some shit, nigga. I don't know, but I might try it. Shit, that might be good content. Making my all-wheel drive G into a rear-wheel drive drift demon. Fuck, cause that's the goal, bro. I'm trying to drift it, man. This shit, the back angle just look beautiful. My shit resting out, bro. Like, shit need all type of work, man. What's back here? See, this shit look disgusting back here. About to cry, bro. Seeing my shit like this. Like, shit just a materialistic object. Anyway, it's not like my Hellcat right here, you feel me? But shit, this my Hellcat for right now. You know, whatever you got to take care of it. So I didn't do the best taking care of this one. I'm gonna do better once I rebuild it. My water pump, I don't think that was me. I actually think that was just going out, you feel me? And then my valve cover gaskets had went out a long time ago. And I didn't even know. And I was still pushing it whole like, nigga, it was good as new. Nigga like me, tripped up, bro. Oh my jack. Let me give y'all a little interior sightage. Feel me? Let me show y'all how I do it when I how I be getting in it bit. I'll be right back. Alright, yeah. I can't even start my shit, gang. My shit don't got, I took the battery out. Shit don't got no lightage, gang. See, even hopping in like that shit just made me feel good. My steering wheel needed, I'm gonna swap the steering wheel out. Look at my dash. My dash is getting ashy, gang. Shit's getting ashy, bro. It's been sitting for too long. Oh my God, it's getting fucked. Damn. Shit need air, I think. I don't know what the hell it need. Hope it ain't no mold in it, but it still smell regular. Damn, this shit hard, bro. I'm gonna swap out the ceiling. Let me get some stars. I'm gonna swap out the panels. I'll take this bitch out right now. I'm gonna swap out the panels. Put a trim on it. I might go Alcantara. I'm thinking I go Alcantara all throughout the bit. Black Alcantara. Swap out the handles. Swap this and shit. I could just paint this and wrap it. Come on, bro. I ain't got no glasses in there, hold on. Ooh. I got some shades in there, bit. I'm dead bored, bro. I just want to dry my shit. I ain't gonna lie. But shit. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. It's just a little update, man. Posting this one after my soccer video. I need to stop turning the camera when I'm talking, but whip coming soon. Whip repair coming soon. Very, very soon, actually. I think I'm gonna go get the battery tested tomorrow. See about that. I need to pump my back wheels, and then we can get started. My water pump is right here. Shit just been chilling. Hopefully it's not getting fucked up too, but here go my water pump. That motherfucker ready. Shit been here waiting for years. Shit like, damn, nigga, you ain't gonna use me? I'm gonna use you, gang, don't worry. Love you, bro. Please save the day. Please save the day, gang. Go icing, nigga. Icing water pump. Now I got my, somebody will open it, huh? I got this fluid to seal. Ain't no knife in that bit. I got this fluid to seal. This pen don't work. It's the side twist pen. My fault, my dumb ass. Let's see. Dumbass. Open up. Man. Open up, man. Yeah. Yeah. My fault. She was exaggerated. Bro, my tent dark in it, but I can't lie. Another reason why I wanted to sell it was to kind of just redo everything, but I want to rewrap it, but I could do that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, see? Liquid gasket fluid. It's probably dark in there, huh? Take y'all out. Take y'all out. I should have got my tripod, but posted it right here. Liquid gasket fluid. Got, I think there's an oil, I think it's the oil O-ring. I gotta look at what I ordered. I gotta see one sticker, gang. Come on. These my Mad Flow sensor bolts. I got 2 that's stuck in there right now. These might be, I don't know what bolt that is. These the gallery gasket bolts. And these the gallery gaskets. This shit look like paper still. I don't know, bro. Shit like paper, but fuck it. And they sent me some special offers. Have a Toyota or Lexus. They don't have none of that. That's why I'm ordering from y'all. With a factor meal. If y'all want the code, bro, here you go. Get you your meal in. And here you go, gang. Everybody do what y'all do with that. I'm gonna pack this up, put this in the wheel. I pretty much got everything ready to go, bro. You gotta do it, man. You gotta do it, bro. That's it for this video, though, y'all. It's just a quick little update, man. Catch y'all niggas on the next one. I need like a little outro or something. Feel me? Right now, we just in that bit. Love y'all niggas. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed. Tell somebody you love them. Give somebody a hug. Give somebody a compliment. Share me. And work on yourself, nigga. Fuck. Get it.